Welcome to the day 2 of R3 APAC Developer Week. I'm Navin Reddy and I'll be your host for this week. And she's back, my co-host, Dalai.
Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody had a good night's rest or a good day's rest, depending on what time zone you're in.
I love that background music which you take with you, Dalai. The angel sound, so calming, it's so natural, awesome. So how was your last week after last evening after this session, the day 1?
I was just processing everything, and I slept really early, and I just let my brain just absorb all the information I got. And I was thinking about how impressed I was that everybody got, like, so many people got the Bollywood answers right. There seems to be a Bollywood tech crossover happening here.
Yeah, that's the first time I'm seeing this environment where we have tech talking about Bollywood, and that's awesome. So somewhere we are mixing it properly. That's great. So thank you, Delay. We'll pull you back for the Bollywood poll after the agenda. Great.
Look forward to it.
Awesome. Now it's time to go through the day what we have. In fact, yesterday we had jam-packed sessions on Coda Conclave 101. And today, I know you all are waiting for something which is the technical part of it. Because in the chat yesterday, someone was talking about the technical part. Let's get started with that. So let me share my screen and let's talk about the agenda. Okay, we got the agenda here. Awesome. So today we're going to start with the introduction, which is happening now. And then at 10:15, we have the first technical session on Coda. So this is where we'll build, we'll run the demo as well. And of course, you will see the actual code. After that, once we have the technical session, we have some magic coming up from Mark. Remember the last day, the Mark magician? Same way we'll be having some different techniques today. And of course, I want to learn those tricks. After that, at 11:30, we have Conclave Bootcamp, right? So first we have Coda, then we have Conclave, and then you will see the actual code. And of course, if you love Java, if you love the distributed systems, you will love this code as well. I'm looking forward to it. And post that, we have a lunch break, very important, right? So during this lunch break, we'll be having the DJ session and you can enjoy that. Yesterday, I enjoyed that music a lot. In fact, I was having my lunch here, listening to the music. And after that, at 1 o'clock, we'll be having some office hours. Now, this is a best time where you can interact with the evangelist and you can ask your questions, anything about development perspective or career perspective in Coda. So that's the best time you can ask questions. And once you don't have any questions, once it is over, at 2, we will be opening for the job fair. We'll be having different companies and you can talk to them. Great. So Anna will be there to help you to the job fair. Cool. Okay, so I hope something is clear now what is going to happen in day 2. But apart from training, of course, we have something extra, right? So we'll be having some awesome sessions on the boot camps on Coda and Conclave. After that, we'll be having some, in fact, in between itself, we'll be having some sessions, right? Remember when we talked about the winning prize of $10,000 over the week, right? So we'll be having the quizzes in between. So during the sessions, I'll be coming up in between and then I'll be disturbing the speakers and by saying, hey, it's time for quiz. So we'll be giving away some prizes there. Some quizzes will be there for $100, $150, $200. So let's see. And then also there's an option of leaderboard. So if you go to the platform, there's an option of leaderboard where you can see the top rankers and the top rankers will receive some rewards. Okay, now how do you get those rewards? It's very simple. You just have to be on top. How to be on top? It's very, very simple. Just interact on the platform, right? So if you can see, there's a leaderboard on top today. So in fact, we normally reset the board every day. So till this point, we have Sumi on the top. But of course, you have to interact with the platform the entire day so that you stay on top. Okay, but then what about yesterday's winner? Of course, we had day 1, right? So we got yesterday's winner here. Let me show you that who is the winner for the yesterday's session. Okay, I hope you can, no, you can't see that. No, just a second. Let me share my screen. And here we go. So leaderboard topper for day 1. And let's see who is the winner. I love that music. Yay. And the winner is Uttam Kumar Roy. Congratulations. And see the points. It's 4,000. 4,000 points. That's great. So Sumi is doing well today by staying first. But then let's see, Sumi, if you can maintain that. So Uttam, congratulations. What you can do, Uttam, if you're there in this session, you can just message me on the Hubilo platform and we'll connect you there. Nice. Okay, Zoom is behaving a bit differently from me today. But anyway, we can continue. So now we have the winner, right? So if you want to win that, okay, so what a winner will get, they will get $100. You just have to be on top of the leaderboard for the $100. That's awesome. So I hope you will continue with that today as well. Now, so as we mentioned, we'll be doing some quizzes in between as well. And apart from that, if you want to win big, that too in a technical way, we have a code challenge. So on Friday, we'll announce the winner. So there's a code challenge which we discussed yesterday. If you're still confused, there's office hours at 1 p.m. You can ask your questions regarding the code challenge as well. And the winner will be getting $1,000. That too for doing technical work. That's awesome, right? We don't need cash, right? We want code. We want to write code. We want to make solutions. But yeah, getting extra cash is a good advantage. Okay, now everyone loves social media. So the hashtag for this week is R3DevWeek. So whenever you go on any social platform, just mention that hashtag. And then we are good. But if you have any questions, of course, we are there on Zoom. You can ask your questions there. Otherwise, we also have a Slack and a Discord channel or Discord group. You can just connect there and we'll try to answer your question. And also, these videos will be available on YouTube. So there's a channel which is Coda Blockchain. You will find those videos later, all these videos there. Okay, but then we have one important thing, right? Once we talk about all these sessions, of course, how do you prove yourself that you know something? And one of the best way to prove your skills nowadays is doing certifications, right? So you can get certified on Coda and on Conclave, that too for free. Just because you're listening to me now, let me just give you those two things. Get the Coda certification, Conclave certification for free. So in the chat window, you can see we have shared the link. But how exactly you can avail that? It's very easy. Let me share my screen. So you just have to go to the R3 certification website and you can say get started. So when you say get started, you will see two options of the Conclave certification and Coda certification. So let's start with the Coda first. So we'll go to Coda. And so you can see the price is $150, but not for you. Now, since you're the participants in this week, you will get it for free. So just have to say add to cart. And yeah, and then you have to, okay, so just have to say add to cart because we only have one now. We want the second part certification as well, right? Which is the Conclave. So we'll go back to the home screen, Conclave, add to cart. Okay, so you can see we got 150, 150. And in total, we got 300. So you have to pay $300. Not exactly. You can see when you say checkout, it says 0. Hey, that's a coupon magic there, right? So you can see we got a coupon and then you can fill up your details here and say continue the payment. It will charge you nothing. And then you will get the certification links. And that's awesome. So this is the weekend plan for me. Let me know, in the chat window, from which city you are and what is your plan for this weekend in the chat. Awesome. So that's about so that's the awesome introduction. I hope you enjoyed the introduction part. Of course, we have the entire day to have fun. And now it's time to have some fun in the Bollywood way. So let me get my co-host Dalai here for the Bollywood poll. So Dalai, just wanted to check what is the strategy? Are we making it more difficult today with the questions, or you'll be going with some lenient way?
I think as the days go on, I don't know about difficult because I'm surprised by how much everybody knows, but it's definitely going to get maybe a little more niche. So we'll see if it's as good as yesterday. So should we bring up the first poll?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Which of the following Indian films was nominated for Best Foreign Film at the Academy Awards? Was it A, Sholay, iconic, B, Lagan, also iconic, C, Ashoka, or D, Devdas, a personal favorite of mine? Go on, put your votes in, everybody. Let's see if we can start the day off with everyone being right about this.
Got about 50% of the people, so we're just waiting for everybody to vote. Some people seem confused. Oh, we're at 65. Just going to wait to go for 75, so if you want to give them 10 more seconds.
I'm going to give you about 10 more seconds. I promise it's not a trick question. If you know the answer, you know the answer. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's pull up the results. Oh, there we go. Starting off on an amazing note. Again, 50% of you got the right answer. It's Lagan. You're right. There we go. Back to you, Navi.
We'll do one more.
Yeah.
Right, okay. I think you guys have got another poll coming up. So let's pull it up. What's the next question? All right. Which of the following actors appeared in the comedies Munna Bhai MBBS, Anthony Kaun Hai, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, and Golmaal? All 4 of these films. Which one was it? Was it Boman Irani? Was it Arshad Warsi? Was it Sanjay Dutt? Or was it Jimmy Shergill? Come on, guys. I told you it was going to get a little bit more niche. Put your answers in.
They're really coming up fast right now. We're at 54%, so we just need a few more votes, maybe 15 seconds. But
you guys are voting really fast. I feel like most people know this one. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pull up the results. Oh, we've got neck to neck Arshad Warsi and Sanjay Dutt. Well, guys, the correct answer is Arshad Warsi. So, not as good as the first one, but we'll pick it up later in the day, I'm sure.
Oh, that was awesome. Lage Raho Munna Bhai. Right. And then Sanjay Dutt was not there in Golmaal. Maybe some people missed
He was
that.
not. You're right. Yeah, that's why. Trick question.
Yeah. Awesome. You know, one of the favorite dialogue of mine from Munna Bhai MBBS is how long, how long? Remember that scene?
I do remember. Your memory is great.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Delai, for the awesome poll. We'll pull you back for the another Bollywood polls. And now, once we have done with the introduction and an amazing start with the Bollywood quiz, let's start with the actual topic which you're waiting for. So let's start with the first technical one. So we have Ashutosh here, who is going to take you through the Coda Bootcamp. Ashutosh, good morning.
Good morning, Naveen. Day 2. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling very good. And I can see a smile on your face because even